Welcome to another weekly market update. Date is Sunday, September 11. After market closed on the 9th of September 2016. Apologies for my voice, suffering from a terrible head cold. And it looks like the market itself caught a bit of a cold on Friday. As I was warning last week's update, I was explaining how the market was getting very overbought and to be very careful around this time because it was due for some kind of correction, and I didn't expect it to come as quickly in one day as that, but there it is. That's what happened on Friday. But let's take a look at the bigger picture here for the S&P 500. That line here is like an old line of resistance that goes way back to May 2015. As you can see, the market broke above that. And then what's actually healthy in a situation like this, as I said last week, would be for a pullback to the old resistance level. So that is healthy, but what isn't healthy is the speed at which it happened. There's almost like kind of blind panic of selling went on there. Not a pretty sight at all. So it would have been nice to see that come a little bit more, not so sudden from the bullish point of view. But there it is. If we zoom in a bit and we maybe make a bit more sense of it, you can see it's quite a dramatic drop there on Friday, and the volume down there that increased with it, which means that there is conviction behind the selling, and there's that old line of resistance around there. So it's a very pivotal point right now. So this isn't a time when one will be wading into brand new trades, because we've got to see what the overall market is going to do next. What happens next really determines everything. If this is just a healthy pullback, then great. It needs to settle off around here and then start moving back up again. If not, then it starts to get back below this old resistance level, which is what we're going to find out on Monday, what happens next. Then we're looking at something a bit deeper, more of a deeper correction, and see. But this market, as I've been saying for weeks now, has got very ahead of itself, and it needed something like this. Just as I said, just not so panicky. So market direction as it stands is one where it's really much neutral. We'll wait and see, but it's definitely ominous action, not the sort of action where you just dive in and say it's all bullish. As I've been cautioning for a while now. So this is one of those times where you just sort of wait on the sidelines. The important thing is not to lose money, and there's nothing wrong with being in cash. And that's all for the market update, and speak to you next time.